So hello, I will now start the video demonstration of spanning tree protocol, VLAN, and the trunking. So, una, gagawa muna ako ng design topology. Tatlo switch. Then, i-connect ko sila. Each. Then, each switch is lalagay ako ng dalawang device. Then, cable 01. Then 02. And same dun sa other device 01, 02. So now gagawin ko naman next is yung spanning tree protocol. Since STP is default enable siya sa Cisco, i-off ko siya. Tapos bago malaman na off yung bigyan muna natin ng IP address lahat ng device. 8, 10, 11. Then dapat iba-iba din yung IP ng kada device. Then sa CLI ng switch, dito natin i-off yung STP. VLAN 1 kasi VLAN 1 is default na VLAN lahat ng buong mod topology. Okay, then same. Gagawin to sa tatlong switch. VLAN 1. Then para malaman kung naka-off yun, try tayo. Ayun, kapag ganyan siya, ibig sabihin is naka-off na yung span tree. So, ibabalik na natin siya. Then, gagawin naman natin ngayon is yung VLAN. So, gagawa tayo ng dalawang VLAN, VLAN 10 and VLAN 20 of T, then VLAN 10, then VLAN 20. So, each PC nakapasok sa isang VLAN. And FA01 switch port VLAN 10. Then sa pangalawang PC access then VLAN 20. Then same T VLAN 10 VLAN 20. Magpasok tayo ng PC ng device VLAN 10. Same. Then 20. 10 same. Then 20. 10 same. 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 10 s gawa lang ulit ng VLAN, magpasok ng device, VLAN 10 2, then ipasok sa VLAN 20, then now itatrap naman natin yung switch para mag-connect to buo. Exit, exit, copy, int FA 24, switch port root trunk, then next, exit, exit, copy, int FA 023, switch port root trunk. Yan. Kahit sa isang switch lang gawin yung pag-trunk, successful. Then failed kasi ibang VLAN, and failed, but here successful, here failed, but here successful. Yan lang for the STP, VLAN, and trunking.
So now I will do the routing protocol. This is the model that I will use, or topology. Two routers, two switch, and four devices, a PC. So each PC is meron na siyang, binigyan ko na siyang IP address and the default gateway na magiging IP address ng router natin. Then now we will do the configuration and paglalagay ng IP address dito sa router. So dito sa first router natin, 00, ito, ilalagay na natin dito yung IP address niya. Then to turn on natin siya. Then here, and that then on. Then same also dun sa other 9268.2.1. Yan. Then here, that 40. Then on natin siya. Then doon sa routing information protocol naman, ito sa ref is mag-add tayo dot 1.0, then 10.0.0.0, and then dun the next one, other router naman, 2.0 at 10.0.0.0. Ayan. So for the testing natin is mag-wait muna tayo ng ilang seconds. So, ayan. Ayan. As you can see, I think yung successful na siya. And that's all for the routing protocol.